Hey YouTube creators, are you tired of posting amazing videos but not getting the views you deserve? Well, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share the easiest and most effective way to get your views on your YouTube channel fast. Whether you are just starting out or you have been at it for a while, these strategies can help you take your channel to the next level. Stick till the end because you've got a few advanced tips that you won't want to miss. Number 1, optimize your titles and thumbnail. Your video titles and thumbnail are the first thing as a viewer sees. Think of them as your own packaging. You want them to be eye-catching but also relevant to the content. Avoid clickbait. Your thumbnail and title should reflect what your video is. Here are a few tips. Keep your title under 60 characters. Use keywords that people are actually searching for. Make your thumbnail bright, clear, and visually interesting. Number 2, leverage on YouTube SEO. Search engine optimization (SEO) isn't just for Google. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. To get more views, you need to help people find your content, and that's where SEO comes in. Some things you can do to optimize your video include using keywords in your title, description, and tags, including keywords naturally in your video script so they show up in the auto-generated caption. Adding hashtags and timestamps is a description to make it easier for your viewer to navigate. Number 3, focus on the audience retention. Playlists are the simple but powerful tool for getting more views. By grouping similar content into a playlist, you encourage viewers to watch your videos, just like Netflix series. Create playlists around a center theme or topic. Promote the playlist on your channel and in video descriptions. You can even enable them on your blog or website. Number 5, promote on social media. Don't just rely on YouTube itself to get your videos out there. Use your social media platform. Share your videos on your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever else your audience is active. Quick tips: create short teaser to share on your Instagram or TikTok. Use your YouTube share button to post directly to other platforms. Encourage with comments and messages on all platforms to keep conversation going. And there you have it, some of the easiest way to get more views on YouTube in 2024. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on growing your YouTube presence. Got any strategy on your own? Drop them on the comment below. We would love to hear what worked for you. Until next time, happy creating.